Gender, work, and the Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution या सनती इनकलाब. Industrial Revolution has been one of the most significant milestones in human history which affected life of human beings in many ways. The Industrial Revolution brought about a revolution in the thinking and lifestyle of people. In so many ways, people who spend their time working at home or in the agricultural fields, now they moved out from their homes, from their rural areas, and moved to the urbanized areas, searching for work and finding labor in the industry. Later on, people could find other jobs also. So हम देखते हैं कि जब सनती इनकलाब आया तो इंसान जो ज़्यादातर खेती बाड़ी में और एग्रीकल्चर के अंदर अपना वक्त गुजारते थे और वही उनका ज़रिया आमदनी था, उनको मालूम हुआ कि एक और तरह की का ज़रिया आमदनी भी हो सकता है, यानी कि इंडस्ट्री में काम करना. तो बुनियादी तौर पर लोग जब अपने इलाकों से सनती इलाकों की तरफ जाना शुरू हुए तो शुरू में वो मजदूरी की तलाश में होते थे. So at that time, women could find work in textile industry. Initially, this happened in the Western world. When they set up textile industry, most women and children, they were accommodated over there. With dual earning families, division of labor at home also changed. So as we said, the Industrial Revolution brought about many changes in human thinking and lifestyle. We see that when women also started earning, the atmosphere at home and the environment also changed, because now two members were earning instead of just one. For the next many decades, changes were taking place which directly and indirectly affected people's lives. So हम देखते हैं कि जहाँ पर एक शख्स घर के लिए आमदनी कमा के लाता था, वहीं पे एक से ज़्यादा लोगों ने कमाई करना शुरू कर दी, ख़वातीन ने भी उसमें हिस्सा लेना शुरू कर दिया. तो उसके नतीजे में घर में ज़राए आमदनी बढ़ गए और आमदनी भी बढ़ गई और घर में फ़ैसला साजी के भी मुख्तलिफ ढंग इस्तेमाल होना शुरू हो गए. The concept of dual responsibility also gradually emerged. So when women started working in the industry, or let's say they became involved in formal work outside home, the new thing that happened was dual responsibilities or multiple responsibilities, which means that women no longer were working at home alone. They were not looking after the household and children, but they were doing much more than that. They were working at the workplace, they were traveling to the workplace, they were doing their work at the workplace, then they came back to their homes, looked after the household chores, the children, and also the elderly relatives at home. Industrialization affected family life in many ways. When men started moving to other areas, urbanized areas, we see that the responsibility on women's shoulders also increased. At the same time, another thing which happened was that people started living in nuclear families. Initially, people previously used to live in extended families where the large family provided a social support system to each and every member in the family. But when men started moving to urban areas, many women followed their husbands, their spouses, and they started living in separate homes, a home that was separate from the ancestral parental homes. So we see that when people started moving from the rural areas to urban areas, their family system, the family composition changed from extended or joint family to nuclear family, and then dual responsibilities emerged, which means that the concept of stress also emerged. औरतें जब एक से ज़्यादा काम कर रही थी तो उनकी ज़िंदगी में दबाव और तनाव और स्ट्रेस जो है उसमें भी इजाफा हुआ. लेकिन एक और अच्छी चीज़, मस्बत चीज़ जो हुई कि न्यूक्लियर ख़ानदान में रहने की वजह से जो ख़ानदान के अफराद थे वो शायद एक दूसरे के ज़्यादा नज़दीक आ गए और फ़ैसला साजी में और ज़िंदगी के दूसरे अमूर में एक दूसरे के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा सहारे का और सपोर्ट का बायस बन गए.